Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your scenes into 3 parts on a CapCut PC. So I'm just going to show you this video, and I'm just going to go to mask, and actually I'm just going to copy and paste it once first, and then I'm going to go to the, let's say the rectangle one, and I'm just going to make it like I'm going to make a rectangle like here. Let's put that there. I'm also going to just put it in the middle first so I kind of know where to go on the rest. I'm actually just going to delete this, copy and paste it, and then I'm going to make the duration a little bit smaller so it starts to show up later on. And I'm going to move the rectangle here. As you can see, there's not a lot of space. I'm just going to make it a bit smaller. It's fine. Then copy and paste that, and you're just going to again make the duration smaller, and you're going to place the other one to the left side like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.